You know, in every workplace, there's this superhero juggling tasks, managing chaos, and herding cats. Yes, we're talking about the illustrious project manager. So buckle up as we delve into the uproarious and riotous world of project managers. Let's start by defining a project manager. A project manager is a unique creature that's half human, half spreadsheet, thriving on caffeine, and has a peculiar love for Gantt charts and sticky notes. So, what does a day in the life of a project manager look like? Well, imagine being a ringmaster in a circus where the acrobats have vertigo, the lions are vegetarian, and the clowns have a fear of laughter. Project managers start their day by brewing a potion of coffee so strong it can wake up the dead, or at the very least, those Monday morning meeting attendees. They live in a parallel dimension called Meeting Land, where time is measured not in hours and minutes, but in agenda items and action points. A project manager's favorite phrase is, "Let's take this offline," the universal code for, "This isn't the place to expose my lack of knowledge on this subject." Project managers are the maestros of managing chaos. They can convert a cacophony of conflicting opinions into a symphony of solutions. When a project is spiraling out of control, project managers are like, "Hold my coffee." And then they dive into the tornado of tasks, emerging triumphant with a meticulously color-coded action plan. Project managers also speak a unique dialect known as PM lingo, peppered with exotic phrases like scope creep, risk mitigation, and stakeholder engagement. Understanding it is like deciphering ancient runes, if the runes were drawn by caffeinated squirrels. Project managers are the ultimate multitaskers, juggling tasks like a professional circus performer. They can make a phone call, send an email, update a spreadsheet, and drink their magic coffee potion, all at the same time. Project managers have a love-hate relationship with deadlines. They chase them, wrestle them, and occasionally beg them for mercy. They possess a magical ability to make impossible deadlines seem achievable, with the power of optimism and a sprinkle of delusion. And there you have it, the rib-tickling, uproarious world of project managers. They are the unsung heroes, the masters of organized chaos, the warriors of deadlines. Without them, our projects would be like ships without compasses, wandering aimlessly in the sea of tasks and to-dos. All right, folks, that's our lighthearted jab at the wonderful world of project managers. If you're a project manager, hats off to you. You truly are the superheroes of the corporate world. And if you've survived the endless meetings and deciphered the PM lingo, give yourself a pat on the back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hilarious insights into the professional world. And leave a comment about your funny project manager experiences. Until next time. Remember, this is a humorous and exaggerated portrayal of project managers and is not intended to belittle the important work they do. They play crucial roles in ensuring the successful execution of projects and are valuable assets to any organization.